For our soon-to-be daughter or son, we just wanted you to know that we love you before we even hold you, and also know that your family cannot wait to meet you.
Our promise to you is to always love you and always pick you up when you're down and hold you higher when you are up. We only wish that we'd be given the power and energy to provide to you the same way our parents provided to us. We love you.